So we got a furnace here, an older house. Came up in here in the attic to check it. Was told there was another HVAC company guy or somebody who came out here and looked at it. As you can hear, the furnace is trying to light. It's not lighting, but the gas valve is opening, allowing gas to enter the house. When I came up here, the attic smelled like gas extremely. It's pretty packed with gas in here. I think the only reason why the house has not blown up yet is from the vents in the attic. So I just wanted to record this. And this is where the gas is escaping out of this hole. Dangerous stuff, man. It is filled with gas up here. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and document everything and shut down the gas. And this is why you call an HVAC expert. Right here. That's a good catch, man. Saved this guy's house.